Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Monkey Maya. We have had a very exciting morning, haven't we?
Yes, we have. So obviously you knew that we did the induction for dolphin volunteering here in Monkey Maya, and today was our first day doing it.
We fed dolphins.
We fed dolphins.
This morning.
Boom.
Insert some pictures here for you. Although it wasn't the smoothest of first feeds, to say the least.
But I think, yeah, definitely not. We had a
Matt
pelican.
basically was getting attacked by this pelican.
Pelican trying to attack the bucket of fish in which we offer the dolphins the food.
They said it couldn't get any worse than that one, so that's pretty good to know.
Crafty pelicans.
So yeah, that was cool, and then we just finished quite early because all the dolphins were around actually.
We did three experiences today.
All before 10:30. So yeah, and we're just gonna have some breakfast now because we are quite hungry. I'll flip the camera around so you can see what we've got for breakfast. So we've made quite a healthy granola yogurt.
We've got yogurt, we've got blueberries and strawberries. So yeah, we're just gonna have a little healthy brekkie and some coffee up there. Beautiful weather again today, and then we're just going to see what the day takes us. Hello everybody, so we have had a very chilled one today. Last thing you saw was us just explaining our dolphin experience and our breakfast, but we just did a little bit of a sort out this morning in the van, then headed down to the volunteer room again, had a chat to the guys, and then we went to the swimming pool, had a sit down. I've burnt my legs already, but now we are going to go fishing. So Miss Matthew, fingers crossed. We're going to be targeting whiting.
Yeah, and see what happens. But yeah, with all our rods and stuff. Let's go and see what we can get. Getting the fishing going. Come on, roddies. Gonna try this one.
Good morning.
It is day 2 of our volunteering at Monkey Maya. We are heading down towards the beach to do one of our daily tasks, which is
planting the boats in the harbour.
In the harbour, so we'll take you with us. This is our little route down. We've got the boats and the beach, and then the kayak shack. Walking through, it looks like a tropical island, doesn't it? Onto the beach we go. Count them boats.
Yeah.
So we've counted 9 today. See what there is tomorrow. It's beautiful sunrise.
Yes, it's lovely.
And then we just have to walk down over there to the dolphin hut.
Water. It essentially keeps the water column quiet into the water. All right, so we'll wait here. Luckily, no pelicans are in sight. Fish. Piccolo refused one of her yellowtail this morning, and it looks like she's refused another one. That's all good though, it's up to her. She does prefer that bunny herring a lot more. Now we rinse the buckets just to let them know no more fish for this experience, and we exit the water so that they can get on their way.
So hello, we are back from the dolphins now.
Hello guys.
Back at camp, and that was really cool. It was a lot smoother, wasn't it, this time? I'll try and film some more of that tomorrow because the third experience actually didn't happen. The dolphins didn't turn up, so that was the plan, to film that, so I'll do that for us tomorrow. But yeah, you would have seen some clips of us doing the fish feeding to the dolphins, which was so cool. I feel like we're getting our confidence up a bit now. Yeah, we know the people, we know the routines a bit better. The routine. Yeah, it's really good fun. Cool. It's just so cool. But now we'll just come back, we're gonna have some lunch. We are indeed. This is what we're having. These we didn't actually show you, but yesterday when we went fishing it was successful. So we've got here a Australian salmon and a whiting. So these have to be 30 centimetres and these are any size. So we've got that for lunch, and we're going to have a hard-boiled egg and some salad, which I'm just preparing. And it'll be nice. Yes, so looking forward to it. It's quite a healthy lunch that we're having today. Fish salad. And then a dip in the pool. I'm going to dip in the pool later. How Thumbs up. Egg is done. Let's chop this salad up. Excuse the mess of this tablecloth. Every time it just gets filthy. And the flies are coming, but here's our lunch. Fishies, salad with an egg, and egg and fish. Yeah, there we go. Let's have our dinner, our lunch. So hello we guys. Had our lunch. It's actually a lot later on in the day. We had a nice afternoon. We had our lunch as you saw, and then we went off to the pool, a little sunbathe, had a little dip,
Yeah, we're going to now make dinner.
So cook dinner with us.
Well guys, dinner's ready. Chickpea curry with rice and mango chutney. Let's eat.
Good morning, it is day 3.
Yeah, day 3 of our volunteering.
And we are, as usual, walking down the beach to work and counting the moored boats. Today there's 13. Wow.
There's a few more today.
A few more. Let's go now. Off he goes.
So just going out to the jetty, no dolphins at the moment, but we're just going to see if we can photograph some turtles.
See.
We might have spotted a new one the other day, and if we get some clear evidence, we can name it. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It is end of day 3 of Dolphin experience.
Yes, another great day. We only had one experience today.
Yeah, they came once, Matt fed them as you saw, and now we have headed into Denham, the town in Shark Bay, to go check out what they have to offer.
Yeah, it's like a 20-minute drive down from the Monkey Mire campsite where we were. So yeah,
there's a discovery centre, there's a few things to do. See what we can find.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So we've come to the Shark Bay Discovery Centre. We've got an entrance fee ticket, $13 each, not too bad. And yeah, we're going to go head in
to the museum
and have a little look. Dugong. Hopefully we'll see one of those on Sunday, a real one. Back in the car.
We are back in the van.
So we have left the town of Denham now, but we explored the Discovery Centre. We just thought we're coming back on Saturday for a thing called Beats on the Bay, which is actually like a little mini festival with markets and stuff that we got told about. So we can show you a bit more of Denham then. But on the way back, we've just driven past the
Little Lagoon Creek,
which we are going to go check out. And I'll turn the camera around, it looks really cool.
Matilda's on the red dirt. Need to get you off the road. There he goes. Saved him from being squashed. Hello. Good morning.
Let's go count some boats.
Yes.
Say hello.
Hello.
some lunch, guys, and then as we've come back, there's some emus.
Emus at camp. Probably going for a swim to cool off.
Walking time. We're off on a walking trail.
Off to go for a walk.
Windy, but the weather is perfect for a walk.
Let's go, so we'll be fine.
Let's go. Pretty wildflowers.
When the wild winds blow through the empty pathways of my mind, and the rivers flow like the world has told them not to stop, stand my ground, hear the sounds, take a breath and just let go. The leaves fall slower than they have ever done before.
Day
Hello,
5
day 5
of dolphin feeding.
Yeah.
Hello. So, as you saw this morning, we finished our dolphin experience for that was day 5.
Day 5, yeah. That was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, really cool.
Yeah, we had a great week. Such a good experience. So, yeah, we're really glad that we did it.
Yeah, we've still got tomorrow, so we're going to show you that. But we basically come to the denim festival called Beats on the Bay, which is on today, so we're going to go check it out.
Here we go.
We've already finished our drinks, basically. You look cold.
It's a bit chilly.
And the markets are over there.
Hello from Windy Denim.
Hello, it's the last day of the dolphin experience and we are actually leaving. Excuse the washing. So yeah, we're leaving camp. We're just going to park up in the car park and then go do our experience, and then we're going on a boat trip. So we're only doing the experience for 2.5 hours this morning. So yeah, let's go see what we see.
They come as well. There's Steph doing her sweeping. It's in the morning. And just opened up the theatrette. So it's a little cinema. Got the heating on and got our screen on, ready to go for the tourists when they come and watch the film.
And the reason they come here is because they got taught to hunt here, so they are coastal foragers. So during a dolphin experience, we invite people down to the water's edge. We provide some information about the dolphins, about Shark Bay, about World Heritage for about 15 minutes. And then at the end of the talk, the volunteers bring down a couple of fish to offer the 2 provision dolphins.
And now coming down the boardwalk, this is our main hut here on the right, where we look out for the dolphins. This is the signs that are up, that have popped out this morning in 4 different locations. And Steph's just cleaning the steps again with the blower, keeping the place clean and tidy.
Do we want to go ahead and offer that first fish off your
She's like, yeah.
There you go. Good stuff. All is safe. don't feed the cat, but sometimes they come and hang out with mom while they are eating. Did she like that yellowtail? Oh, good stuff. She doesn't always eat yellowtail.
Good job.
But today she feels like she's ready. The hand in the air means that we're down to our last dish. So go ahead and offer it right now. And just offering it at the same time lets us know that it's their dish and they won't be stealing it from each other. This doesn't usually happen. The dolphins identify the buckets as their own. We go ahead and rinse that bucket just to let them know that there's no more food to distribute. And they pretty quickly understand that. It is good that they head out since the young cats you saw here still need.
So we
On the boat.
finished our dolphin
our volunteering.
experiences. Oh, so tired.
Yeah.
Poor.
Really good.
It was such a
Really
good day, and now we are heading off to find some dugongs. So yeah,
So
let's
come
go
on the
see.
boat with us. Let's go. The wind. Windy.
So guys,
Hello.
we're off the boat and we saw lots of dugongs.
Yeah, lots of dugongs.
And we just said goodbye to all our Monkey Maya rangers and everyone.
Yeah,
and it's really
little
sad.
Monkey Maya family.
We saw Piccolo come and say bye again.
Yeah, she did.
So yeah, we're just gonna head now and head off to our next adventure.
Yeah.
So that concludes our Monkey Maya experience. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you ever do want to volunteer or go check out Monkey Maya, go do that 100%. Also a fundraiser for a research project out in the bay, which was from our dugong experience, and that's for the Aristocat. So they're trying to restore some of the seagrass there, so just go check that out. We'll pop a link to the fundraising site below, and some information about that as well.
Yeah.
And I think that's everything.
Yeah. Thanks for joining us this week.
We'll also pop the link to where you volunteer as well, because
have a look online.
100% recommend to anyone to volunteer there.
100%.
Great
Thanks,
week.
guys.
Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to thumbs
Like
up
and subscribe.
and subscribe. Thank you.
Bye.